once you're done with the certification, then comes job placement. So I would like to go on a call with you, 5-10 minutes. So once you're done with the certification, you can ask again the same person, students at MediPharm Solutions, that you are ready for marketing, because some of you will not be ready for marketing. You might have, your family obligations, whatever the case might be. Once you are ready to get into the market, meaning you're ready to face an interview. So let me put it that way. It's not about you're going to get a job in 1 week. It's about, are you ready to get into an interview? And MediPharm Solutions has a very high standards of doing an interview. If you say you're ready for interview, your first interview should really be your last interview. So you need to say, okay, am I thorough with the core modules? I mean, final assessment, certification, great. You can flaunt it on LinkedIn, but that is useless. So what I want you guys to focus is, am I subject ready? Am I confident in appearing in front of someone else on a video? And can I present myself? Where am I in this process? How much time do I need? Most people take a month or so to get into it. Now, more than a month, you're gone. Some of you asked me before enrollment, why 2 out of 10 don't achieve jobs? Those 2 out of 10 took more than 3 months to come into job placement. So don't make it more than a month. Probably take like maybe 2 weeks, crash through the, kind of prep through the core modules, understand it. And I strongly believe, in my experience of kind of guiding students, my experience is, I would like you to do your first interview as soon as possible, so you will be able to understand how this really works in the real world. Right? I can teach you driving by you being on a passenger seat, but it is better you drive so that you learn it faster. So I want you to get to your first interview the minute you're done. Let us say you're in Jan. So Jan or Feb. So let's say you're completing the course by March 15th or March end. By April end, you have to get into your first interview so that you'll know where you are. So I would say, in job placement, what do you do? Just send an email saying that I'm ready for job placement. What next? Those are the sweet words I can get from the email. What are the next steps? And then I'll go on a call with you. I'll introduce you to how marketing works, how consulting companies roll with us, and all those things, and it'll become easier to go from there. Now that's about job placement. Now the last thing and the most important, which most of you are missing right now, I'm going to talk in the next video.